Hello. Previously, we've explored and explained many aspects of the PRISM map. We've looked at the underlying adapted and consistent lines on the map, we've looked at the levels of intensity, and we've explained all of the colours. What we're going to do today is to start to look at the dimensions within each colour. So you can see each quadrant, each colour has two dimensions. In this case of gold, finishing and evaluating. And those dimensions give us much more depth and breadth than looking at the colour alone. So we'll just explore those colours a little bit more detailed. So finishing. Finishing is about processing information and finishing to a high standard. These are people that really like a strong attention to detail. They're accurate, they're painstaking, they're orderly, they're conscientious. They're really good at communicating complex data, and they're completely focused on accuracy and high standards. It's all about doing. It's all about following tasks through to high quality completion. Evaluating, on the other hand, is around evaluating data and making decisions. This is about questioning the validity of data. It's about checking the pros and cons of all options. It's not accepting things at face value, but it's also making astute decisions based on the facts that are available. They are fair-minded and unemotional. So you can see that these two, although they're both in gold, they are subtly different. It's a bit like two houses in the same street. Exactly the same on the outside, but then perhaps they've got different colour windows, different coloured doors. Inside they are completely different furnishings, different styles. And these two dimensions are just like that. It gives us much more scope to look at the gold quadrant. So to recap, finishing is about doing things right, and evaluating is doing the right things. We'll look at the gold quadrant and the dimensions in our next video when we explore the interpretation of the lines.